Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About s to the power of 3, we put about s and s square. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root, and we have 1 minus s square. Because we have s square in here, so I will put this one go to the left and u square go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2s. This one we have 2u with the negative sign in here. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0 from here, and I will put number 0 going here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 1. When s equals to number 1, so we have number 1 in here, and I will put number 1 going here. The square root of 1 minus 1 square, so we have u equals to number 0. Number 0 we change by number 1. Number 1 we change by number 0. The square root we change by u. S square we change by 1 minus u square. S ds we change by negative u du. So negative I will put outside. U and u we have u square. So u square multiplied by number 1 and u square in here. So about the negative side, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. Next, we have the formula. So this one we have number 2. I will put number 2 going here, and 2 plus 1 we have number 3. This one we have number 3. And I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. And now we have the final answer. And we have number 2 over 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.